Did you know that over 30% of Facebook users shop directly on the platform? Imagine tapping into that massive audience and turning your fashion store into a sales machine. Hey fashion entrepreneurs, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ahmed from Metrix Craft, and today we're diving deep into Facebook ads for fashion stores. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete step-by-step roadmap to drive real sales through Facebook ads. We are talking about proven strategies that have helped fashion brands go from 0 to 6 figures. Here's the reality. Most fashion store owners are throwing money at Facebook ads without a clear strategy. Sound familiar? You've probably experienced this yourself. The problem isn't Facebook, it's the strategy. Without understanding your audience, creative angles, and conversion setup, you're basically throwing money at the screen hoping it sticks. So grab a notebook, let's get started. Step 1. Set up your Facebook ads account properly. Go to Meta Business Suite, create your business manager, and connect your pixel to your website. This ensures you can track visitors and conversions accurately. Step 2. Target the right audience. If you sell women's apparel, target women aged 18 to 35 interested in fashion, online shopping, or specific brands your customers love. Use lookalike audiences based on your past buyers for even better results. Step 3. Create scroll-stopping visuals. Fashion is visual, so use high-quality lifestyle photos or short videos showing your products being worn. Add on-screen text like "new drop" or "limited edition" to spark urgency. Step 4. Optimize for conversions. Don't just run traffic ads. Choose the sales objective and set up events like add to cart or purchase in your pixel settings. That's how Facebook learns who's most likely to buy. Now, here's the game-changing strategy that separates struggling stores from successful ones. Use a 3-layer Facebook ads funnel. Top of funnel, TOF, awareness. Show your brand and style through lifestyle videos or new collections. Middle of funnel, MOF, engagement. Retarget people who viewed your products or added to cart but didn't buy. Bottom of funnel, BOF, conversions or testimonials to close the sale. This funnel has helped multiple fashion brands 5x to 20x their sales while keeping ad costs low. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and check out my other videos on digital marketing and Facebook ads. Drop your questions in the comments. I reply to every single one.